Welcome to this special webinar titled How to Pass Your Life and Health Insurance Exam webinar. My name is Biko Mantin. I'm the owner and founder of Menzo Pass, which is a revolutionary exam prep just for life and health insurance. So I'm excited to have you on this webinar. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn a lot of things that you've never learned in this webinar. Keep an open mind, relax. Hey, I told you to relax, right? So I have a little bit of wine and I'm chilling, relaxing. Join me and let's have fun together. So let me go ahead and share with you my screen so you can see here. I can share with you my presentation. All right. So again, as I said, I'd like to welcome you guys to Menzo Pass. I'm your host here, Biko Mantin. I'm the instructor for the Menzo Pass Life and Health Insurance Exam course, and I'm the founder of Menzo Pass. So first of all, what does the word Menzo mean? The word Menzo means heart. In my native language, Menzo means heart. And I named this company Menzo for a reason, to do business with a heart, to serve people, to make a difference in people's lives. We are teaching people and also changing lives. We're teaching people, we're training people and transforming lives. The same way my life was transformed by getting my life and health insurance license, I also hope that your life will be transformed by passing your life and health insurance exam. So Menzo Pass is here to do business with our heart. We care about each and every one of you. We want to make sure each and every one of you pass your exam. We're not just any company that's just in it for the money. We're in it because we care about you. So Menzo Pass is a new kid on the block compared to most of our competitors who are, they're 50 years old, 20, 30 years old, you're a multi-million-dollar company, but there's no human connection, there's no personal touch. Everything is online. You go and sign up and that's it. You're left to yourself. By yourself, you don't have any one-on-one help. You don't have any mentor to help you along the way. Menzo Academy offers a personalized service if you want, okay? But we are a different kind of company, and we also only focus on life and health insurance exam. So unlike some of our competitors, they're doing 20 or 30 different exams, whether it's real estate exam, securities exam, all of those things. We only focus on one thing and one thing only, life and health insurance exam. So what that tells you is that we are putting all of our resources, all of our time to make sure we perfect this, to make sure we get you the best results to pass your exam. So again, welcome to this webinar. Keep all your questions towards the end. I'm going to answer all of your questions if we have time. So let's come here. So as I said, this is how to pass your life and health insurance exam. That's my name, Biko Mantin. But you may be asking yourself, why should I go with Menzo Pass? Why should I listen to you? Because you have, off the top of my head, you have about 6 different life and health insurance exam prep companies out there. So why should you listen to me? Or why should you even give us a try? Well, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Biko Mantin, as I said earlier. I'm a pharmacist by profession. So you may be saying, hold up, a pharmacist and insurance agent, how is that even possible? One is healthcare and one is financial industry. Well, as I'm going to tell you later on in this course, in this webinar, you want to follow your passion. And my passion has always been the financial industry. And I finally decided to follow my passion. So I'm a pharmacist, but I switched careers. I switched being a pharmacist to an insurance agent. Okay. So as you can tell from my accent, I'm an African, proud African, first generation African. I was born and raised in Liberia, West Africa. And I immigrated to America at the age of 16. And that was one of the best things that ever happened to me, because coming to America exposed me to a lot of opportunities to be able to become who I am. And I'm assuming a lot of you are first generation immigrants just like me. And you came to America, or your parents came to America for the same thing that a lot of people come to America for, right? Two things: freedom and opportunities, freedom and opportunities. And as an immigrant, you're always told to go to school, get a good education. Your parents would tell you, and especially African parents. I tell, I was telling someone a joke the last time. I said, for most African parents, you only have four career options. You can either be a pharmacist, you can be a doctor, an engineer, a lawyer, maybe a nurse. Everything else, you're a disgrace to the family. So even though I was very passionate about finance and business, but I said, oh, you know what? Let me follow the money. So I went and became a pharmacist. But long story short, I didn't like it. That was not me. And I switched over to the insurance industry. So some of you on this webinar, you're stuck in your careers right now, and and you want to, you want to change, you want to try something new. Hey, this could be for you. And I tell you without a shadow of doubt that that was one of the best decisions I ever made. I'm happier, I'm making more money than ever before, and I have the freedom I've always wanted. So I'm a licensed life and health insurance agent. I'm licensed in 25 states, and that's growing every month. And I have about 12 years of financial industry experience. Now, you may hear me use financial industry and insurance interchangeably. Well, here's the thing. The insurance is a part of the financial industry. So the financial industry has three branches. You have investments, you have banking, and you have insurance. Those are the three branches of the financial industry: banking, investments, and insurance. So if you become a life and health insurance agent, you're a financial professional, because that is in the financial industry. All right. So I'm the owner of a financial service business, insurance business. I lead a 75-person team spread across 15 states, and I've been doing this for a while. I've helped over 1,000 families. I think that is my biggest achievement, and that's what I'm most proud about. I've helped over 1,000 families and individuals over the last 12 years create better financial futures for themselves. So whether it was helping families to set up college savings plans for their kids, whether it was helping people to set up their retirement savings so they could retire in dignity, whether it was helping clients with life insurance, whether it was helping clients to roll over their 401ks, or whatever it is, whether it was helping clients to get long-term care insurance. I've helped over 1,000 people in the last 12 years. So everything I teach you is coming from practical experience, not just past experience, but this is something I do on a daily basis. So you're not just learning theory, but you're also learning from someone who is actually working in that field. And the benefit for you is now I bring you real world experiences that can help you not just pass your exam, but that can help you become a very successful insurance agent. And I'm also the host of the pass your life and health insurance exam podcast. You can find that on Stitcher, on Spotify, on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, over. And I'm also the host of the Life and Money with Biko podcast. If you want to find me on social media, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, you name it. Just type in at Menzopass. And you can contact me at Menzopass at menzopass.com. Okay, Menzopass at menzopass.com. All right, let's move on. So, who is this course for? I'm sorry, guys. Let me take a little sip of my wine. By the way, I like white wine. I just like white wine. If you like red wine, all right, that's your thing. All right. So, who is this course for? This course is for people who would like to become licensed financial professionals. Okay. This course is also for real estate agents who are looking to increase their sales. So think about it. The real estate profession or the real estate industry for real estate agents is very saturated. It's a dog eat dog world out there, especially for new agents. If I'm a client and I'm looking for someone to find me, to help me get a house, and one agent has 20 years of experience and one has 1 year of experience, who am I going to go with? I'll go with the agent that has 20 years of experience, right? But here's the good thing though. If you become a licensed professional, now you can be able to sell mortgage insurance. So what that means for you, especially if you're a new agent, that gives you a competitive edge. That gives you a fighting chance to compete against agents who have 10, 20, 30 years experience. Because now when that client is coming to you, they're not just coming to you to get a house. Yes, you can help them get a house, but you can also help them to protect that house with mortgage insurance. And the only thing you need to sell mortgage insurance is a life insurance license. So now you're both a financial professional and you're a real estate agent. Boom, that's your competitive edge. And a lot of smart agents have started to do this, and they are increasing their sales. They are doubling, tripling their sales. So if you're a real estate agent and your business is struggling, or you want to increase your sales, this is for you, because you could do so many things. Your clients move into their house. Of course, mortgage protection. You can help them set up college savings plans for their kids. You could help them with so many things as a financial professional. Now, if you're also unemployed, or you're dissatisfied with your current job or your career, that's what happened to me. I was dissatisfied. So if you feel stuck, you're not earning the kind of money you want, you think you're underpaid, or you just want to try something new, then this is for you. This is also for affiliates and influencers who are looking to increase their income. So if you're an affiliate or you're an influencer and you have thousands of followers on YouTube, Instagram, social media, you name it, right? Now, if you get your license, you can partner with other financial professionals or other financial companies. You could partner with me. Hey, I'm just putting this word out there. If you're an influencer, or an affiliate and you want to increase your income and you want to work with financial professionals, get your life and health insurance license and you can become one of my affiliates. On average, my affiliates earn about $2,000 a month. So if you get your license, you can earn minimum, average $2,000 a month. Some affiliates earn up to $10,000 a month. So anytime someone comes to Minzo, pass through you, through your link or through your referrer, whatever we do for them, you get 50%. So if it's a $10,000 commission, you get 5,000. If it's a $1,000 commission, you get $500. Very simple. So this is also for people who are looking for a work from home job or business, right? A lot of people like freedom. And now some of you are looking at this cap and you're wondering, why is he wearing, why is he wearing that cap? Well, there's a little story behind this cap. So I traveled to Colombia years ago on vacation. And if you've not visited Colombia, I'll tell you hands down, I mean, in my opinion, it's the best country besides my home country. It's the best country in the world for having fun. But I mean, the people were amazing, the culture amazing, the weather, the food, everything. I just loved it. But what happens is when you're having too much fun, time flies. So 12 days came back and I was like, oh crap, I have to go back to the States because I have to go back to work in 2 days. And I felt so bad. I was like, damn, I wish I could extend my vacation by, by 1 more week or even 2 more weeks. But at that time, it was a choice. Hey, you have to come back to your job because if you don't show up to your work, you're going to be fired, right? So I was not happy about it, but I had to return to the States. That really got my mind racing. I was like, that's the kind of life I want to live. I want to work from anywhere. I want to travel the world. I want to do so many things. I don't want to be tied down to a job. And that's one of the things that motivated me to do what I'm doing. So if you're someone out there who likes that freedom to work from home, hey, it's winter time in Washington, D.C. Just 2 days ago, we just got 14 inches of snow, and it took 3 days. It took about 3 days to melt, 2 or 3 days to melt. Freezing cold. When it's cold like that, you don't feel like going out. Yeah, you just want to be in your home. You don't even want to step outside. But yet and still, if you have a job, you still have to get out of your house, still have to go to work. The good thing about this is for most jobs and most businesses in the insurance industry, you can do that from home. So now you can work from home or you can work from anywhere in the world. You could travel anywhere in the world and work from there. My last overseas trip or international trip was to Cancun, Mexico. I was in Cancun for, I think, about 3 weeks, but I was still working from there. And my next trip is to West Africa. I'll be there for probably 3 or 4 months, but I'm still working, I'm still earning money. So if you want that kind of lifestyle where you have the freedom to work from anywhere and still earn money without being tied down, if you want that, we call that WFA lifestyle, work from anywhere lifestyle, then this course is for you. You need to get your life and health insurance license because that affords you the ability to live life on your own terms. So these are some of the things you're going to learn. Number one, you're going to learn how to decrease your total study time by up to 75%. This is very important because most people are living busy lives. Most people have 2 jobs, or they're going to school and working, or they are working and they're raising a family. They just don't have time. Between raising a family and working, there is just no time. But some of our competitors, their exam prep, I mean, one of them, I won't call names, but if you've tried them, you probably know who I'm talking about. They've been around for more than 30 years and they're a multi-million-dollar exam prep company. They have a freaking 540-page exam prep study material. 540 pages. Who has time to study 540 pages? That is what you do if you're in school. That is a whole semester's work. Who has time for that? And that's why you see some students take 6 weeks, 2 months, 3 months to study, and they still go and they still take the exam and fail because it's just too much material. About half of the materials in that book will not be tested on your exam. So people are wasting their time studying things that will not come on the exam and studying just too much information. And the method of doing exam prep is so outdated. So with Mental Pass, our strategy is different. And I'm going to show you how you can decrease your study time by up to 75%. And instead of taking weeks to study, you can take days, 2, 3 days, 4 days, and pass your exam. I'm also going to show you, or you're going to learn how to quadruple your chance of passing. Here's the thing, with Mental Pass, 100%. When I mean 100%, I mean 100% of our students who've gone through the program and completed the entire program, 100% of those people have passed the exam. Is 60%. For us, it's 100%. So think about it. How much will you pay for a course if you knew that if you follow everything and you did exactly as you're instructed, that you're going to pass your exam 100%? How much will you pay for that course? And the good thing is, we're not even charging half the price as our competitors. But yet still we outperform our competitors. So you're also going to learn about the benefits of becoming a life insurance agent, because I'm a pharmacist, and sometimes people look at me and say, hold on, you're a pharmacist, you have a doctorate degree, which I do. I have a doctorate degree in pharmacy. I'm a doctor of pharmacy. You have a doctorate degree. Why did you switch from doing pharmacy to being an insurance agent? Isn't that beneath you? Aren't you degrading yourself? But what they don't know is that I would tell you without a shadow of doubt, being an insurance agent is even better. It pays 10 times better than being a pharmacist, or even being a nurse or an engineer, if you go about it the right way. And I'm also going to share with you the obstacles in the insurance industry and how to overcome them. Because here's the thing, nothing good comes easy. Nothing good comes easy. Yes, there's a lot of money to be made in the insurance industry, but there are a lot of obstacles. And I'm going to share with you those obstacles and how to overcome them. And then last but not the least, I'm going to talk about the three, or maybe, the 3 different ways you can make money in the insurance industry. And I'm going to compare and contrast them, and it will be left with you to decide which one is best for you. So let's get started. So what is the requirement to get the most from this webinar, and not just this webinar, but from our course? So the requirements are very simple. Number 1, you have to be able to speak, write, and understand English. And number 2, you have to be willing and have the desire to become a financial professional. So if you have those 3, if you have those 2 things, right, that's it. You're going to succeed. So let's get on to our next lesson.